Hey, it's Heidi. Today is another solo day. This is my fit for today. The fit is so basic. I feel so comfortable. I love it. Nag-crave ako sa Elephant Ground, so doon ako magla-lunch. First, my sobrang salt kasi no isang araw ko pa talaga siyang kinikrave. I'm so happy. So, next agenda ko, pumunta ng Gentlemanster kasi ipa-adjust ko yung glasses ko. Let's go! It will take like 30 minutes siguro or 10 minutes. Close pa sila. Ang cute nila. Panda yung nakuha ko. So, what if bumili ako? Ano kayo dito? That one. Hero na sila. Dapat mga 10 years from now. Andiyan na tayo sa Forbes. Ambisyosa. Ito ka muna. Kaya emote-emote lang. Parang ayoko na magbasa ng romance. Pero lately, yung mga suggested book sa akin is romance. Stationery art materials. So, let's check. Ang ganda. May iba-iba pa siyang design. Mukha siya ng pamangkin ko. Gusto ko siyang itry. Actually, may mas mura niyan. But I'll get one just to try. Excuse me.
Is that for payment?
Yes. Thank you. Let's go. Excuse. Ano po yung smallest dito? Yan ay yung small. Small na lang. I try. Thank you po. They're feeding the cats. Available po yung fold. Matcha latte. May bottled water po. 10% po yung sweetened.
We can do it on the side na lamang.
I also want to order Uji Chape. Ayoko mag-take risk. Na lang ako sa kilala ko na start. Mga for posting. So, kailangan ko na siyang ma-edit. Okay. So, nandito na yung order ko. Let's taste it. Actually, this is unsweetened. So, ako na yung mag-balance kung ano yung gusto ko ng sweetness. Masarap siya. Kaya na sa akin na unsweetened siya. I like it. Meron pa naman ako dito syrup. Sarap. Thank you. Hindi ko mahanap yung file. And I think this is the last thing I'll do today. Few items from Cotton On. Parang puro active wear to. This is the end of the vlog. See you on my next one, guys. Bye!